So guys, like I told you, we are on our way to Tal Chhappar Sanctuary, and we started our journey at 4:30 a.m. and right now it's 5:45 a.m. and it's approximately 215 kilometers away from Jaipur. So let's see if we'll reach there by 8 or 8:05. And this sanctuary is a really lesser known sanctuary. As per the government records, last year only 25,000 to 30,000 people visited this place in a whole year. The road condition is really nice, even though it has rained a lot in Sikar. So here we have reached the Tal Chhappar Wildlife Sanctuary. This is the gate, and there is one more gate there. That is a U kind of arc on top of it, that in which there is written Tal Chhappar Abhinacharya. And now I'm going to tell you about this sanctuary. So it took us around 3 hours, almost 4 hours to reach here, like 3.5 hours. Like I told you, the distance from Jaipur to Tal Chhappar is 215 kilometers. It can take you more or less depending on your way, on your route. Like there are two routes from, like we live in the outer city of Jaipur. So it took us like 215 kilometers. But if you go through the Ajmer road, it will take you a little less time. So the animals we are going to see here are not only black bucks and chinkaras and deers. Not only these animals, but also different and interesting birds and animals like desert fox and beautiful little birds and big birds. We'll see like all kind of animals. And let's go. And this is our today's ride, Tonga. This is the ride we are going on, and let me show you around in the entry area. It's you might love this place if you love nature, because of all the interesting animals, the beauty and everything we are going to see today. Animals here at Tal Chhappar will come near you, will not get afraid from you, or even if you want to click a picture, they'll come near you and eat whatever you give. And now let's get on with the Tonga ride. Say hello over there.
Hello.
So tell us where we are going.
छाती
अच्छा, बताओ हम लोग किस राइड में जा रहे हैं, किसकी सवारी कर रहे हैं? हॉर्स की। ओके, अब बताओ हम लोग कहाँ हैं?
पता नहीं।
राजू, ओ राजू, राजू।
The most striking feature of the black bucks is the long spiraling horns of the adult male, which have ridges from the base to almost the tips. They can grow as long as 20 to 24 inches. The longest horns on record measure more than 28 inches. Females do not possess horns. Mature male black bucks have a black and white coloration, which is very different from the reddish yellow hue of immature males and females.
उसको क्या बचपन में मार लगी थी, मार गुजर गई थी।
अच्छा।
फिर बाद में फोर्स वाले ने ये पाले उसको, छोड़ते का वो दो। ये है राजा महाराजा का ताल।
अच्छा।
राजा महाराजा गंगा सिंह जी दरबार शिकार करना आता पहले।
अच्छा।
तो शिकार करना आता जड़ा बे कहीं वो पता लग गया अपना रबी टाइम मेरे ना को 20-30 गिरना वजन संख्या बढ़ती 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 बार 4 दर्जन हो गया।
अच्छा।
अब आता है।
Is the main area where all the black bugs sit, and this is the area of desert foxes, but it's not that easy to find them. Have to wait for a whole full day. Be patient to see them. This is Lakshmi, who is giving us this ride. Thank you. And this is the main pal in this sanctuary.
The black color of male blackbucks fades in winter and turns almost brown by the time the April heat comes. After the annual molting period, their color, however, can be differentiated from the females and immature males, as it is still a darker tint. A certain blackbuck population in South India never becomes black. Blackbucks are as fast as any antelopes and rely on their eyesight to steer clear of danger. The cheetah can outrun them, and that's why the Mughals used the big cats for hunting purposes. Here are the main reasons why the blackbuck is endangered. Open areas are a primary requirement for the growth of the blackbuck population, as the mothers need space and safety to give birth and nurse the young ones till they are strong enough. As more and more open areas are taken in for construction or are fenced, there is a severe lack of space. When native grass, herbs, and plants are destroyed or annually cleared, the animal species, depending on these florals, also get endangered. Construction work creates massive ruckus in habitable zones of the blackbuck, which disturbs the animal population.
This is the second lake that we have gone to in this sanctuary up till now. Desert fox. We have not seen the desert fox till yet, but we can if we stay here till like a long time. But it was worth it because if we had gone right now, we would be on our way to Jaipur, and we would have missed this and all those black bugs we saw just right now. So we would have missed all that. Okay, tell me, what are you doing? शैतान क्या कर रहा अभी? क्या कर रहा
मैं
है?
लक्ष्मी वाली हॉर्स को खाना खिला रहा हूँ.
अरे wait! This is the lake, and this lake's name is Dungilao Lake, and not lake, pond, Dungilao Pond. This is the main colony that I was showing. The grassland, as you can see, is the main colony that I was showing from the first route that we had taken. Now, let's do this.
अगर मैं उतरूंगा तो क्या ये मारेगी?
Bye bye, Lakshmi.
I hope you liked the video.
If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends and family. Bye bye.
Bye bye.